front of me, I have this tiny little thing called clear eyeliner that retails for $35 US. You might be thinking, Milana, what is this? Well, you know what? Let's just find out. Hopefully it does something for $35. Let's jump into it. This is Moxie Lash. Their swipe, lash, and go. So what exactly is this? I'm not even sure. They're saying this is a water-based formula to create the perfect adhesive for lashes that have nano grip technology. You don't have to have any drying time. You just swipe a line on your lash line, you put a little mascara on, you put the lashes on, and you're good to go. This is $35. This better work.
Where'd you find it?
On Facebook. I saw an ad and it said clear eyeliner, question mark. And I was already intrigued. It's kind of like that clear foundation by Becca. Remember that, babe?
Yeah.
That was basically like, let's just be honest, it was a primer. It was not a foundation. So we do have two lashes. We got Classy Lash. This one is $30. And then we have Happy Lash. This is $35. So the packaging is really beautiful. I mean, look how stunning this is. And they are 100% premium silk lashes. I've never tried silk lashes. They're reusable up to 25 times. They're cruelty-free and handcrafted with care. How they recommend to use this is first apply this clear eyeliner onto your lash line, apply a little mascara. So honestly, there is a little bit of drying time, in my opinion, because if you're gonna apply mascara, that's gonna give you at least 10 seconds per eye, you know, depending how much mascara you're gonna apply. So I already think that's false from their side. There is definitely some drying time. And then they say put the lashes on top of the clear eyeliner. I'm gonna do one eye with mascara, how they recommend first, and then the other eye, we'll just put the adhesive on and then go straight into the lashes. And then we'll put mascara on afterwards to help, you know, bring everything together. Have a beautiful seamless look. I can't believe this is $35. This is some kind of like magic secret potion in here. It definitely looks like lash adhesive. Okay, and I'm gonna go straight into mascara. Just gonna use Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk push-up lashes. And Andre's timing how long it's taking me to apply the lashes. To apply mascara. So I can still see the adhesive or clear eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with Happy Lashes because they're a little bit more intense. It took me 30 seconds to apply.
Yeah. You did.
The mascara?
Yes.
Was that
40 seconds?
Okay, that's fine. See that? Kind of got stuck. Wow, my eyelashes are getting in the way. Wow, it's like super grippy. Oh my goodness, do you guys see that? I'm trying to bring it as close as possible to my lash line. I can definitely trim these because they're way too long for my eyes. I got like mascara all over my eyes. Let me quickly clean this mascara up. Wow, that was a mess. And I'm gonna spend a little time trying to make sure it looks pretty good. Okay, that is so uncomfortable. Wow. You see that edge? It's just like poking me right there. Yeah, I have to trim these, you guys. This is so uncomfortable. They're way too long for me. All right, I'm trimming like 2 sections off. That makes any sense. There we go. Having a hard time.
So if you do it right away, it's not as sticky or what?
Yeah.
So you do have to wait.
Oh yeah. I feel like that applying mascara beforehand definitely helps. But the thing is, it's kind of sticky, but not really. So for example, right now, I didn't have enough adhesive clear eyeliner on the edge, on the corner of my eye, and I just applied it and it was too wet for the lashes to stick, so I had to hold them there. So you definitely have to give the clear eyeliner a little bit of time to dry. So I think that's why they recommend to apply mascara and then go in with your lashes, you know what I mean? I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara right into that inner corner. I mean, my lashes are super sticky from the adhesive or clear eyeliner. It's definitely not as messy, but the thing is what made it messy was my mascara. That's the only thing that made this messy. You can definitely see the adhesive, it looks like glue when it's drying down. I feel like it's not going anywhere, so that's good. You know what it reminds me of? That little, it has an extra tiny little layer of that nano grip technology. It reminds me of something like a 3M product, like you would rip off and then you stick it to the wall.
Oh.
I think that's what that is, that nano grip technology. So I'm gonna do this with the clear eyeliner on this eye and just go in with the lashes right away instead of putting mascara on and seeing if it really does have zero drying time, and you can just plop it on and it's gonna be very comfortable and like mess free. I'm gonna cut off the edges here as well. Yeah, see, it's definitely kind of just, it's kind of slipping around because it doesn't have a good grip. See, I can't let it grip. It's not letting me grip to the inner or outer corner. Yeah, definitely apply the lash adhesive and then go in with your mascara. Let it get tacky. And then go in with the lashes. I'm frustrated. Especially this is $35. Like, this is really getting me mad. Wow, like this is literally getting me so frustrated. I just want the inner corner to stick, and it's not. Why is this giving me so much problems? Okay, it's been like 10 minutes of me trying to make the inner lash work and stick, and it's still not sticking. I gave it time to dry, I added more glue, clear eyeliner, and it's not sticking. I'm not crying, lashes are not wet. You can see that right there. They're doing the same thing on this side. It's just, it does not want to stick on the very outer part of the lash, which I think is the most giving and telling part that they're fake lashes. Obviously these look fake, but I'm just saying, I want my inner and outer corners to stick to the top of my lash line, and if it doesn't, that's really annoying and frustrating. So I'm just gonna let it be, and I'm gonna finish this video, or at least this part right here, because I am frustrated that I spent so much money on a product that is not great. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, I love the way they look on my eyes, and I'm someone that does not wear fake eyelashes on a daily basis or even like a monthly basis. I'm more of like the type of gal where it's like, wow, why are you wearing false lashes? Where are you going? What's the occasion? I think these are stunning. And I said this is the Happy Lash, and these ones retail for $35 as well. And I think they're very beautiful. I love how girly they are. They're very flirty. They're definitely quite heavy. They're definitely bigger, and they're definitely very long. And I did have to trim just the very edge to make them fit my eyes, which I usually do actually. I trim the very edge of the lash on the outer corner. And when I do trim regular just lashes that I like to wear, I never have any issues with the lashes sticking on the outer corner or the inner corner. So this adhesive, or this, I keep saying adhesive, it's a clear eyeliner. It's definitely not as strong and powerful as I thought it was going to be. But I feel like once the lashes were on, they're pretty set, and like I said, they're only giving me issues on the outer corner right here. I feel like they're just pulling my eyelid down, which is so unfortunate, and they're not wanting to stick on the inner corner. But I do want to see how these wear throughout the day, so I will keep you guys updated, maybe give you 1 or 2 updates. I do want to say that I feel like this is a very similar concept to the Velour, their black eyeliner and adhesive in one. And I did a full video on just this product right here with the Velour lashes, and it was a beautiful result. This is a stunning black eyeliner / adhesive. This eyeliner in specific, it works with multiple different lash brands, different lash styles. You can do like single lashes, a full strip of lashes. So I really like this product right here, and it's not $35. I mean, you can see the massive difference, the product you get. So I'm really disappointed so far with this right here. And you definitely have to let it basically get tacky before you apply the lashes on, because it's definitely too wet. And I don't like that. On their own packaging, it says no dry time needed, which is completely false in my opinion. And there's a reason why they recommend doing mascara first, applying the eyeliner, mascara, and then the false lashes. So there is definitely some drying time included. So I don't like that part. It makes me feel icky when brands do that. Just be honest, you know what I mean? Just say 5-10 seconds drying time needed to get the best application, the best results. So yeah, I think the concept is very fascinating. Clear eyeliner. I like that it's latex free, it's glue free, but glue is a very wide term. It could mean that there is actually glue in here, but it's just not a specific type of adhesive. It's not an adhesive with latex. There you go. It's some kind of water-based adhesive. All right, I'll leave it there. I'll see you guys soon. You guys, I love the way these lashes look. They're actually pretty comfortable to wear. Like, obviously when you close your eyes, you can feel them in the inner corner. They don't feel like they're getting pulled, but when you close your eyes, you can see on the outer corners, inner corner, like, look at that. They look crusty because of that clear eyeliner. It definitely doesn't dry down clear, as I'm seeing right there. You can definitely see the clear eyeliner. It becomes white. So I'm not really impressed with the look, with the look of the clear eyeliner, but I'm impressed with the lashes. I think they're so pretty.
Yeah, the lashes are pretty.
Especially for like no makeup on the rest of the eyes. I think the eyes really pop, and I'm really liking how they look. But the clear eyeliner concept, not a fan. I think these lashes would look much better with the black eyeliner / adhesive by Velour. Or just like a duo adhesive, you know? Emma is not liking it. I turned off the music. All right, Bubby, Mommy's gonna turn the music back on. I'll see you guys at the very end of the day. Last and final update. I'm gonna try to keep it short and sweet, just because I did kind of talk about what I felt and how this product performed. I'm mostly talking about this right here, the Lashy Liner. For $35, I'm really disappointed how this performed. You definitely needed to have this dry down at least like 5 to 10 seconds minimum for it to work really well. And the outer corner and the inner corners are still, I mean, I couldn't make them work even when I was trying to make them work. Honestly, the lashes, they haven't budged at all. We were laughing quite a bit earlier, so I feel like the inner corners lifted a little bit more. But honestly, they're just kind of sticking the same way as when I last saw you guys. That's a huge positive in my book. I think the lashes themselves, this style, Happy Lash, are beautiful. I think they're super stunning, but I'm definitely gonna have to pass on this. I don't think it's worth $35. This tiny little thing, $35. Definitely go for, if you're in the market, like new to the market, try the Duo Lash Adhesive. They have different styles to choose from, different colors to choose from, or go for something like Velour, like I mentioned before. So definitely, in my opinion, skip this, but try out their lashes. I think these lashes are beautiful. I'm gonna end it there. If you have tried this right here, the Lashy Liner and their lashes, like the Happy Lash or the Classy Lash, they have so many other styles. Please let me know how it worked out for you guys. But for now, thank you for watching, spending time with me and these lashes and clear eyeliner, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Bye.